Hello everyone, welcome again to Chef Huie Culinary Television. Today I have yet another interesting recipe to share with you. Now, if you are trying to eat healthy, or if you was just switching over from meat and practicing vegetarian lifestyle, I think you're gonna find this recipe very interesting. Why am I saying so? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make a club sandwich, a vegan country club sandwich. What am I going to use? Guys, I'm going to use tofu. I'm going to grill my tofu. I season it very well, put it on the grill. I have sauteed mushrooms, sauteed onion. I have lettuce, tomato, and I have vegan cheese. Yes, I have cheddar vegan cheese. So we have 3 slices of bread here, guys. I'm going to put them into my toaster right now, and I'm going to toast them. And while they're toasting, I want to tell you about the mayo that we're going to be putting on there. Yes, we're going to be putting mayonnaise on the bread. Of course, it's vegan mayonnaise. Guys, it's very, very easy to make. I'm going to put the recipe in the description so you can make it at home. When you make it at home, you want to label it, and I would suggest that you do not keep it for more than 30 days. Keep it in your refrigerator, keep it tightly closed. It should be good for more than 30 days. However, you want to make sure you check it just to make sure it's fresh. It will be good. Now, this recipe of all plant-based. It has everything that you're looking for. So, while the bread is toasting, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on. And guys, one of the ways to be successful as a vegan slash vegetarian, you have to change your mindset. Yes, you have to change your mindset. When you make this mayonnaise, do not think of the whole way where they make the mayonnaise and it's all thick. It's probably not going to be as thick. Now, if you whisk it long enough, it's going to get thick. Then you sit it in your cooler, and over days, it's probably get even thicker. But you gotta have to lower your expectation. Remember, we are eating healthy, fresh food. And when your food is fresh and healthy, it doesn't get thick, it doesn't get all clumped up, it tends to be on the lighter side. So consider this to be a light mayonnaise, like a mayonnaise spread. Now, let's take a look, see how our toast. Depends on how much you like your toast. It's gonna be dependent on how much you toast it. But I think it's ready there. So guys, I make this mayonnaise and I put it in a mason jar. Now I'm opening it, guys. You see, this is my mayo, guys. See, it's pretty heavy, but it's not the thick, clumpy mayo that you see in the bottle. Those are some of the problems we have, and that's why we move away from that side. Now we are over here, and this side we are eating fresh, lively, healthy food. So don't have the same mindset. Now my toaster is popped up one, it's telling me that it's ready. These are ready too. So you see our bread is nice and toasted, guys. So what we're gonna do here now, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put some of the mayonnaise right on the bread. We're gonna spread it out. We're gonna make our sandwich. You could use whatever bread you like, does not matter. Only things matter is that you're enjoying the nice healthy meals without the additives and all of the other negative stuff associated with the other items we have eaten in our past lifestyle. Guys, I want to close it quickly. I close it tightly. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge over here. You want to keep it nice and cool, and it will last for 30 days. Now, this is my tofu, guys. You can see it's seasoned and it's grilled. Nice grilled color on there. I put one on the bottom, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my cheese, and I'm gonna put one slice of that. Remember, guys, this is a club sandwich. You know what is a club? One person can't be in a club. Traditionally, a club sandwich is defined as 3 types of meat on 3 slices of bread. But we are not using meat, we're using something much more better. So now we're gonna you could lay these in whatever order you want. There's no specific order, so I put the tomato, and here I'm putting mushrooms. Another thing I want to remind you about, guys, when you're preparing these meals, like you're grilling your mushroom, you're grilling your onions, always put a little bit of seasoning on there. It doesn't have to be salt. Whatever season, herbs, and spices used, always season your vegetable. That's one of the problems we have. That's why so many people say they don't like vegetables, because they treat it as a side. They don't season it, they don't treat it with respect, so they don't like it. So now we're gonna put, you can put red cheese here, and we're gonna put lettuce again. And it doesn't matter what order you put them in, it's entirely up to you. Now, before we put the lettuce, what about if we put some onions? That would be great. So we're putting our onions here. There we go. See, guys, we have plenty of mayo on there. You can put as much as you want. It's made from Dijon mustard, so you know it's vegan. It's 100% vegan. And another thing I think I need to remind you, when you're choosing your Dijon mustard, you want to be careful. Read the ingredients on the label carefully. There are Dijon mustard that may contain animal product, so you want to read it carefully, and you get one that is 100% vegan. Guys, now we have assembled our club sandwich here. We have a beautiful country club sandwich. Put our extra stuff on the side, guys, and now I have 4 toothpicks. I'm gonna stick one here. I'm gonna stick another one in the back over here. I'm gonna stick another one on the side and on this side. Then I'm gonna walk over here. I'm gonna get one of my bread knife, and I'm gonna cut my sandwich. I'm gonna cut my sandwich and put it on the plate. I have a cup of grapes. It's great to pair your sandwich with fruits. So whether it's grape, strawberry, or whatever you like, I recommend you pair it. But there we go, guys. And then you're gonna turn it slightly. You're gonna cut it again. So when it's all said and done, you're gonna have 4 slices. And guys, you see what I did? I stick the toothpicks, and now the toothpick is holding everything together. Look at this, how beautiful this is with that beautiful cheese. Then we're gonna put one like this. I'm gonna put another one here. Sometimes it may not cut all the way. You just take your knife and get it all the way off. That way it don't give you any problem. Now, guys, tomato is just for garnish. Look at this masterpiece. Look at this masterpiece. Guys, Chef Huie's Country Club Sandwich. Got to try this one at home. So on a day when you don't feel like cooking, do something hot, you just want to have something light, a nice sandwich, this is the way to go. Guys, have to check my recipe out in the description. Let Chef Huie it's so juicy, guys. That tomato, try to choose your tomato carefully, guys. Not all tomatoes are created equal. This tomato is so juicy, it's so nice. And then the vegan cheese with the onions and the mushroom, you do not afford to not try this recipe. I know there's a lot of persons, they are a little bit reluctant to try tofu, but this is different, guys. You're gonna season your tofu even overnight, And you could do it in the air fryer, or you could just do it in a skillet. Just fry it on both sides. It's gonna get firm. Then you make your sandwich. You could even put it on a salad. There is so much. There's so much way that you can heat it, guys. You have to get creative here. And again, if you like this recipe, if you're gonna try this recipe, when you try this recipe, guys, I'm asking, please like the video, comment on the video, and please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel and let's build a community. Let's build a community and share ideas and share recipes. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next video.